Our next two passages are an informational text, How to Make a Kite, and a poem, Kite Song. I was able to squeeze in both passages, so I don't have to scroll on this one. There are a few words that got cut off a little bit in the poem and in the answer choices. Like here we have the word other and seasons, the top got cut off. And over here we have a few words. So just try your very best to read the words that are cut off. I am on the wrong video over here. It should not be 15 minutes. We'll go back to 4 minutes. Ready? Go. All right, that was our time. Let's look at our question. Which statement is true? A, how to make a kite tells the procedure for making a kite. Again, the procedure is just giving you steps, and that is exactly what we have here. And Kite Song tells how to fly a kite. No, it's not telling us how to fly a kite, not giving us those steps. So A is not our answer. B, How to Make a Kite tells the procedure for how to make a kite. Yes. The Kite Song tells how the author feels about flying a kite. No, in the beginning it tells us how he feels about flying a kite. That's not what the entire poem is giving us. So B is not our answer. C, How to Make a Kite tells about when the author made a kite. Nope. Not telling us about when a specific person made a kite. It's giving us the procedure on how to make a kite. And Kite Song tells about how much the author likes kites. No, so C is not our answer. D, the procedural text tells about making a kite. Yes. And the poem tells a story about when the author flew a kite. Yes. Starts in the beginning about how he loves flying kites, and then he compares it to a bird. Then the last two stanzas is when he is explaining his kite flying and telling us about how he flew a kite until it was nighttime. So D is our answer here. Let's go look at the cups. Let's try this one. Ooh, that one's hard. And let's try one more. This boy is about your age.
Think you can keep track of the ball? See, middle cup. Which one's it under? Comment in the below. But while you're scrolling down, you should click the subscribe button because it's a good button. If you pick this one, you're right. If you pick this one, you're wrong. This one, you're wrong.
All right. That is the end of this comprehension lesson. You're going to turn it in and move on to our next activity. If you're working at home, please don't forget to take a picture of your assignment or your paper and upload it to this assignment.